React Introduction. What is React? React, sometimes referred to as a front-end JavaScript framework, is a JavaScript library created by Facebook. React is a tool for building UI components. How does React work? React creates a virtual DOM in memory. Instead of manipulating the browser's DOM directly, React creates a virtual DOM in memory, where it does all the necessary manipulating, before making the changes in the browser DOM. React only changes what needs to be changed. React finds out what changes have been made, and changes only what needs to be changed. You will learn the various aspects of how React does this in the rest of this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icons for further notifications. React.JS History. Current version of React.js is version 18.0.0, April 2022. Initial release to the public, version 0.3.0, was in July 2013. React.js was first used in 2011 for Facebook's newsfeed feature. Facebook software engineer, Jordan Walk, created it. Current version of Create React App is version 5.0.1, April 2022. Create React App includes built tools such as webpack, Babel, and ESLint. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icons for further notifications.